Elon Musk, who has continued to promote Dogecoin with witty tweets, has recently urged the largest Bitcoin miners to publish what percent of their energy comes from renewable sources, claiming that Bitcoin mining's energy use is beginning to approach that of medium-sized nations. Recent severe energy demand increase could not possibly have been accomplished so quickly with renewables, Musk tweeted in response to a suggestion that Bitcoin mining may enable solar and storage systems to cheaply scale to offer a higher percentage of grid electricity. This concern is readily settled if the top 10 hashing organizations just release audited figures of renewable versus non-renewable energy, Musk said. Thanks for watching Crypto Lion. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We'll be right back after this.
GSX is an unprecedented financial asset that combines the best elements of a traditional investment with the backing of a stablecoin and the use cases of many of the largest decentralized currencies like XRP.
The controversy about Bitcoin's massive energy use has raged for years, but it's recently been heightened by the cryptocurrency's skyrocketing price, which has increased the Bitcoin network's electrical needs. Those who operate the computers that secure the Bitcoin network, known as miners, are compensated with Bitcoin tokens for their computational power. According to Cambridge University's Bitcoin Energy Consumption Index, the machines, which are dispersed throughout the globe and need both power and cooling, are expected to use as much electricity as Sweden, using 131.8 terawatt-hours in 2020. Bitcoin hashing, aka mining energy consumption, is beginning to approach that of medium-sized nations, Musk wrote, in response to a Tesla fan who stated these gigantic Bitcoin mining companies rip away the fabric of decentralization. A truly for-the-people cryptocurrency must be established. Musk, who shocked the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency markets when he discontinued Tesla from accepting Bitcoin back in May due to the excessive energy consumption, suggested that the joke cryptocurrency Dogecoin could be upgraded to rival Bitcoin. And he continues to express his support for the meme-based digital token. "How much is that Doge in the window?" Musk tweeted, accompanied with a photo of a Shiba Inu dog on a $1 note, implying that the Dogecoin price may soon aim for the $1 mark. "I haven't sold any Doge and will not sell any Doge," Musk later stated in response to another Twitter user who dubbed the Tesla and SpaceX CEO the ultimate hodler, a crypto community term for someone who continues to hold on to digital assets despite high price volatility. Many Dogecoin supporters have long anticipated that the cryptocurrency, which was founded in 2013 in part to spoof Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, will eventually achieve $1 per Dogecoin price. This year, the price of Dogecoin has skyrocketed thanks to social media influencers teaming up with high-profile investors to promote it. Despite criticism for its lack of development and excessive token concentration within a small set of accounts, Dogecoin is up a mind-boggling 5,000% from this time last year, as investors predict the price will continue to rise. After breaking out of a descending triangle formation, the price of Dogecoin has been drifting sideways. A possible 400% increase to $1.08 will be hampered by barriers up to 35 cents, after which Doge could rebound quickly. On-chain indicators point to a rise in big transactions and a change in the type of holdings. Dogecoin's price has reached a critical juncture in its growth, with the potential to spark a large, dramatic swing. However, obstacles remain that will make it tough to achieve its planned goal of a new all-time high. Its price has formed a descending triangle when 3 lower highs and 2 higher lows are linked using trend lines. By adding the distance between the initial swing high and low to the breakout point of 24 cents, this technical pattern anticipates a 361% upsurge to $1.09. Doge broke through the hypotenuse of the triangle on October 18th at 24 cents. Since then, the meme currency has attempted but failed to rise higher. Interestingly, the price of Dogecoin has been drifting sideways and has retested the 19.3 cents support level 3 times since August 3rd, with the most recent testing being on November 26th. This resulted in a triple tap setup, a bullish technical pattern that predicts a trend reversal. The meme coin has, however, broken below the 19.3 cents support and is currently trading at 17 cents at the time of recording. Since Shiba Inu stole Doge's attention some weeks ago, things have been quite tranquil and stable for the original meme currency. However, if purchasing pressure intensifies, pushing Dogecoin's price past the 29 cents mark to 35 cents, and it achieves a daily close above it, it'll signal the start of an uptrend. In this circumstance, market makers will be able to collect sell-stop liquidity that's over 35 cents. This advancement will enable Doge to lay the groundwork for the next leg up at 44 cents. Clearing this barrier would pave the way for Dogecoin to retest its current all-time high of 74 cents. According to this forecast, Doge's bull run may continue until it reaches its stated aim of $1.09. Because of the current downturn, this upswing will represent almost a 600% increase from the current position of 17 cents. Shiba Inu seems to have drained out the buzz, investors, and cash from Dogecoin, hurting its price, but things appear to be returning, with certain on-chain indicators indicating a narrative flip is probable. Looking at transaction data reveals information on the type of investors. Transfers of $100,000 or more are tracked as large transactions. A rise in this indicator is a proxy for institutions and their investing strategy. The number of such transactions has climbed by 70.7% in the last 6 months, from 1,570 to 2,680. This increase in the indicator shows that high net worth investors are becoming interested in Doge at present prices. While the aforementioned statistic gives insight into possible investments, Into the Block's global in-out-of-the-money model identifies substantial blockades. According to this basic indicator, Doge will confront tough obstacles ranging from 30 to 34 cents. Approximately 500,000 addresses that acquired 47 billion Doge are out of the money and will likely sell to break even, adding to the selling pressure. However, if buyers overcome this increase in sell-side momentum and deliver a daily close over 35 cents, it will clear the previously specified daily demand. This action will also make it easier for market makers to gather liquidity. Overall, this on-chain statistic supports a positive notion for Doge, with the possibility that bullish momentum propels the meme currency beyond 35 cents. While the on-chain data act as a tailwind for the optimistic thesis, fresh addresses entering the network put a hole in it. This measure reveals that new members entering the Dogecoin network have decreased by 34.7% in the last 6 months, from 34,320 to 22,380. This decrease implies that despite the capital inflows shown in the big transaction statistic, the bulk of investors are still uninterested in Doge. As a result, the disparity between the new addresses and the vast transaction chart depicts hesitation. The aforementioned mismatch may be explained by the holder's chart, which depicts a paradigm change. In November 2020, 74.2% of Doge investors were holding for 1+ years, 18.6% were cruisers, 1 month to a year, and 7.2% were traders, less than a month. This composition is altered as of November 2021, with cruisers now dominating with a 50.7% ownership, while holders have declined to 42.1%. This significant fall in long-term holders shows that these investors have been spreading their holdings over the last year, showing increasing sell-side pressure, lending credibility to Doge's poor performance during the time. In conclusion, if long-term holders cease selling their Doge holdings, the price of Dogecoin will begin to rise. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. And make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And as always, good luck and happy investing.